Hello, this is Sheridan. Hi Sheridan.
Hi Chris, how you going? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I've come out to help Sheridan lay out her garden, and what happened is Sheridan came for us for a garden design and we did it over Zoom. So tell us about why you came to us and tell us about the whole experience and how it's ended up.
Well, it's funny because actually a friend told me about your free garden design, and we actually gave it to, well, she gave it to my son and her daughter-in-law for Christmas, and I thought, oh, well, if they can do it, I can do it too. So that's why I booked in to have a consultation with you, and I'm so glad that I did. Yeah.
Right, and so the design that I put to you was kind of weird, wasn't it?
Yeah, you did say to me on the Zoom call, you were thinking a lot, and you said, I've got this really strange design, and you'll probably tell me that we're going to change it, but you came up with this design that we're doing now. I just thought, well, you're the expert, I'm going to go with whatever you think, because I just sort of think, yeah, you know exactly what you're talking about, and I don't, so let's just go with your design.
What happened was I was on the Zoom and I was looking at your house and I fell in love with the design. I thought it was a really fabulous design, and this idea came into my head that I felt would set off your design, and sort of a completely unconventional garden, which is a whole lot of potassium golf balls, all round balls, more than 100 of them,
yes,
with a few purple balls mixed in and some kind of tall columns mixed through it.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking that that'll sort of honour the architecture that I really like, and I was surprised that it's a strange sort of a design. I was surprised that you let me go with it.
Well, that's what I sort of did when I first said to my husband about it, and he sort of went, oh my God. And I said, well, look, Chris has come up with this design, and he fell in love with our house. He said that he really liked the house and he wanted to complement that. So I think that the design you've come up with is really going to complement the house, and especially the way the plants are being laid out. I think I'm really excited to have them planted and just to see the finished product. So yeah, I'm excited.
And I'm excited about it too, and that's why I came out to give you a hand just to get the plants placed. So
and that I really actually appreciate you coming out, because I think I said to Lily, who's your assistant, I said, we've got this curved design and he wanted a straight one. Does he ever come out? And she said, actually, he will come out and he'll do the I thought, oh, thank God. So, no, I was really rapt that you did, and I appreciate that you did, because it's helped us immensely get an idea of how you wanted the plants to be set out, because it's a very big area too.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of plants going in.
Hopefully I can come back in 12 months and we can have a look and see something. These balls will be a nice size in 12 months, and we can have a look at it and see how it works out.
I'd love it if you did. I'd really love it if you came back and had a look. I'd appreciate it. So,
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Beautiful. Thanks, Chris.